If you've ever been asked to build an MLM platform from scratch, you know how complex it gets. Binary trees, commission calculations, rank systems, withdrawal flows. It's months of development work before you even launch. NexMLM solves that. 1 PHP script. 6 compensation plans. Everything your client needs, ready to deploy. NexMLM ships with 6 fully built compensation plan engines. Binary, with left and right leg pair matching, carry forward volume, and a daily commission cron. Unilevel, unlimited width at level 1, commissions paid across up to 8 configurable levels. Forced matrix, fixed width and depth, automatic spillover, cycle bonus on row completion. Board cycling, members enter boards that split when full, the top member cycles out with a reward and re-enters automatically. Generation plan, rank-based generational overrides, up to 5 generations deep. And hybrid, which runs 2 plans simultaneously on the same network, combining engines like Binary and Unilevel into one unified commission flow. Every plan is a separate PHP class. You activate or deactivate any of them from the admin panel, no code changes, no redeployment. Members log into a clean Bootstrap 5 dashboard showing their wallet balance, total earnings, direct referrals, and team count at a glance. The binary volume panel shows left leg and right leg volumes with carry-forward balances in real time. The genealogy section includes an interactive D3.js tree. Members can expand nodes, view upline and downline at up to 5 levels deep, and hover over any node to see rank, volume, and status. Sharing a referral link is one click, with UTM tracking built in for every click and conversion. The admin panel gives you full control over the entire network. From the dashboard you see total members, active members, commissions paid, pending withdrawals, and today's signups, all live. The members section lets you view any member's full profile, override their rank, credit their wallet, approve KYC documents, and manage their account status. The commissions page shows the full ledger with approve all or individual approval. Withdrawals are managed with a one-click approve flow. You enter the transaction reference, confirm, and the member's wallet updates instantly. If you reject a withdrawal, the amount is automatically refunded to the member's balance. The plan settings page gives you a JSON editor for every compensation plan, change commission rates, depth levels, cycle bonuses, daily caps, without touching a single line of code. NexMLM includes a complete ePIN system. Admins generate batches of activation codes tied to specific packages. Members redeem a PIN to activate their account and immediately trigger the commission engine for their upline. No payment gateway needed for internal activations. KYC is built in. Members upload their identity documents, national ID, passport, driver's license, or a selfie. Admin reviews and approves or rejects each document individually. The platform tracks KYC status per member so you always know who is verified. NexMLM is built on raw 8 Philippine pesos and 10 centavos and MySQL 8.0. No framework, no composer, no complicated setup. Upload the files, copy the .env, run one install command, and you're live. The full 24-table MySQL schema, cron job for binary pair matching, and a complete README are all included. You get 100% unencrypted source code, no domain restrictions, and a commercial license. Deploy for 1 client or 100, rebranded as your own, no attribution required. NexMLM is available now at Coderobotics.com. One-time payment, full source, yours forever. Visit Coderobotics.com to download NexMLM. White label PHP source code, no domain restrictions, commercial license included.